In today class, you will learn the package concept in Python. Then what is package? What are the advantages of the package? How do we create the user-defined package? And why the package can be used in the Python? Okay, this concept I'm going to explain in today class. Then let me talk what is package. The package is nothing but a directory. Then it is normal directory. What it contains? The directory is nothing but a subdirectories and files. Here also, the package is a directory which is consist of a Python file or sub packages, which is also called as init Python file. Then what is Python file? The Python file is nothing but a model or class or a variable. Okay, subpack is nothing but a subdirectory. Then what is the importance of the init.py file? Okay, then interpreter can recognize that whenever the init file is there inside the package, then that directory is treated as a package. That purpose in every package should have the init.py file. Okay. Then what are the advantages of the package? You can look at here. You can avoid the name conflicts. Okay. What is mean by to avoid the name conflicts? Okay. For example, both functions are having the same name. For example, definition, then area without any arguments. Yeah. Okay. Some code is there. Then another function, for example, def area. Here, if both functions are there in the single module, then how do you access those functions? Okay, it is not possible. Then what we have to do with help of the packages? Then first function you should put in the different package, then another function you should put in the another package. Okay, it should be in one package. The second function should be in another package. At that time, those functions can be accessed easily. At that time, you can easily avoid the name conflicts. Got my point? Then other advantage is that the readability of the application will be improved. Okay. Then maintainability of the application will also be improved. Okay. Main purpose of the package to avoid the name conflicts. And why we use the package concept? The first advantage is already we did it to resolve the name conflicts. The another one is the group of the code you should put in one package. Okay, for example, what are the related files are there? You should put in the one package. That purpose we will use the package concept in Python. In today, then how the Python should be created, so how the package should be created, then how do we import the package? I will explain you with help of the example. For example, then we should create first of all what you have to do. Then I would like to write two models, two Python files. Then two Python files should be saved in the same package. Okay. Once the two files has been created in the package, then how do we import those files from outside the package? Okay. Then for example, the definition def, then area of what is called a, for example, the parameters are then return, for example, area of a circle, the return 5r square, and then directly I'm going to use 3.114, then r comma r. Okay, the 5r square is the area of the circle. Okay, the definition, the function name is area, then it is consist of one parameter. Okay, it can be saved in directory, then save it. Then I would like to create one directory. Okay, then you create one directory. Inside the directory, you can store your related files. I would like to create directories today. The direct name is first what you have to do. First, you create the one directory. Then inside the directory, you can save what are the related files are there. Okay. Then I created one directory today. Then I would like to save this file, the circle.py. Yeah. Okay. Then I would like to create another one, def, what is called area. Area. I would like to find the area of a rectangle L comma B. then what is called a return L into B. L into B. It can be saved as, then it is also saved inside the your directory, created directory, that is called as the today. Then I would like to use a rectangle dot py. Then two files has been created, and also you should create one init file, because at that time the interpreter can be treated as a this directory belongs to the package. Then what you have to do, then nothing you should write inside the file, then it can be saved as, then what is called init dot py. Okay, what is called underscore underscore, then init, then underscore underscore dot py. Okay, but what should you write this file inside the directory? At that time the interpreter can easily understand that this directory is recognized as a package. Okay, for that purpose every package should have the init.py file. Okay, then save it. Then we can see here, then how many files are there inside the directory. Then see here, then I would like to open it. Yeah, there are circle.py is there, the rectangle.py is there, then what is called init.py there. Every package should have the init file. Okay, then two modules are there, then one init file will be there. Then I did not write any sub package over there. Then once these package has been created, then what is the package name is, today is the package name. Then how do we import this package? Okay, then you can write the another file over here. Then I close this window. Yeah. Then control N. Then how do we import that what is called package? Then the syntax is called import package name, or else from what is called package name. Package name, what is package name is here? The package name is given as today. What are the modules do you want import from the package today? Then see here, what are the modules you have been created. Then circle, another one is called rectangle. Two modules has been created inside the today package. Then we can able to access, then print what is called, then area of circle equal comma, then circle dot. Okay, you can access the function using the module name. What is the module name? Module name is nothing but a file name. Okay, circle dot area. Then the area is consist of one argument. You see here, the area is consist of one argument. Then here the function is consist of one argument. Where you are calling that function, you must provide the one value, one argument. Sorry. Okay, that is called as the 3. Got it? Then like that, then print, you can able to access the rectangle function. Then here also area of rectangle. Then how do you call that function? It is also having the area function. You can call by using the rectangle dot area. Okay, at this time you should provide the two arguments. Why? Because this function, okay, this function is consist of the two parameters. While you are calling that function, you must able to provide the two values. Then you come to here, then 2 comma 3. Okay, then once package has been, where you save this file, okay, outside the package. Okay, you can save this file not inside the package. If you declare the inside the package, there is no use of the package concept. Okay, what is the package name is here? The today is the package name. Okay, then where you save it? Then you save it before the outside the package. Okay, then you can save it here. What is called, this name is demo.py. Please look at here. It can be saved outside the package. Okay, what is the package name as given over here? The today is the package name, but what are the files are there inside the package? We can access those files from outside the package. Then demo.py has been saved outside the package. Please observe it very carefully. Then I saved it. Yeah, you can save it here. Demo dot already is there. Yeah, I would like to replace it. Yeah. Then where you can see the path name also, where it has been saved in under the Python 39. Okay, not under the what is called today. And then I would like to compile. Okay, whether it is, I would like to run this model. Yeah, got it. Yeah, we got the output. Then area of a circle. Then what is called 28 point something, because we are providing the 3 3 into 3 and 3.14. What is the value we got it? We got the exact answer. Then area of a rectangle. Okay, L into B. Okay, what are the values we provided over there? Okay, 2 and 3 we provided as an input. Then area of a rectangle L into B. Then 2 into 3, it returns the value is 6. Okay, this is simple how we created the user defined package in Python. Then what you have to do is, then first you should create one directory. Okay, directory name is also called as the what package. The inside the directory you should save the either class file, you should save the modules, or module is nothing but the Python file, or sub packages. Then every package or every directory should have the one file is called as the init.py. But what is the purpose to use that file inside the directory or inside the package? Okay, then the interpreter can easily recognize that that directory is treated as a package. That purpose, we will use the init file in every package. Okay, then have you got an idea about the package concept in the Python? Then nothing else. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding the package concept, you contact me through WhatsApp or comment box or else Gmail. Okay, thank you one and all for watching my videos.